Okay, what did you girls make?
A nest.
What did you use to make your nest?
Sticks.
Yeah? What do you think's gonna come visit your nest?
Birds.
What kind of bird?
Maybe red or blue.
Maybe a red or blue bird is gonna come visit? What do you think it's gonna leave for you?
Eggs.
Eggs? What's inside the eggs?
Babies.
Yeah? Was it hard work making a nest? Yeah.
And we're still making.
You're still working on it?
So I made me and Alana working together, and she gave me the stick, and I'm the one that breaks it. I don't know which bird is gonna come in. We don't know, right, Alana? We don't think it's a pink bird. Yeah, just because pink is bigger.
What kind of eggs do you think will come?
Chocolate eggs. And then when we come here again, we can see the eggs. And we're making this cupcake for them, so we're putting some snow on it. A little bit snow, like we need more snow on it. Like, whoa! We need more snow, Alana. Okay, I'm gonna grab a whole bunch of it. Not too many snow. That's it out. Yeah. And we also have to put snow on it. No, we don't. That'll make the eggs cold. We wanted colorful eggs. We're trying to find a blanket, but I keep saying the snow. But I'm trying to convince her that snow would be too cold. Maybe the teachers can make a blanket. They don't have anything. Hey, don't put snow in there. Okay, we're gonna keep you little snow. Because you had a balloon.
Wow, who laid that egg?
You did!
So that was a solid. What is it becoming now?
Wet water.
Become a liquid.
It's water.
A liquid is water, right? Water's a liquid.